Hello. Here is a set of the original wood for AK-74 Tiger. 4 pieces of Kalashnikov produced in the Soviet Union. It includes buttstock, pistol grip, and handguards. This set comes from old Soviet stocks and repainted with very good quality in military factory, as we can see. It goes well with both of authentic Kalashnikov and copies of submachine guns used in airsoft. You can buy this set in online store sovietmilitary.com and akpart.com. Don't buy cheap imitations. Thank you for watching. Bye.